Type your text on top of your photo. I use dynamic text to align the text. Select the background layer and press Ctrl+J to duplicate it. Place the copy above the text layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, Invert. Create a clipping mask for this layer. If you want, you can add a stroke to your text. To reverse the effect, place the inverted photo below the text layer. Place the normal photo above the text layer. And create a clipping mask. Check the link in the description for more Photoshop text effects.